Hello bloggers. In today's video, we will see how to install and add the plugin in WordPress. Firstly, what are plugins in WordPress? Commonly, WordPress plugins are external tools or applications that help to do specific tasks or features in your blog or website. For example, consider you want to buy a car for your business purpose. But you want to install the speed controller sensor to control the speed of your car. Because speed controlling sensor is not the inbuilt feature in most cars. So, you might contact the best sensor provider outside the car showroom, right? Similarly, in WordPress, the plugins fulfill the same role as sensors do here. With the help of plugins, we can do whatever that WordPress inbuilt feature can't do. I hope you understand it. Now, let's see how to install and activate the plugin on WordPress. Firstly, go to your WordPress dashboard page. Next, simply select Plugins and click on Add New. You will be redirected to the Installing New Plugins page. Generally, there are two ways to install and activate the plugin. One is searching and adding it through the search box. And the other one is uploading the plugin's zip file directly. When you are purchasing the premium version of any plugin, they will mostly provide you with the premium version in zip file format. You can upload that one. However, in this tutorial, I will use the first method. I am going to search and install the plugin. Well, I am planning to install the plugin called Broken Link Checker, and so here, I am typing broken link. See, I am going to install this one. This plugin helps to find out and notifies broken links in any of your blog posts, pages, and images. Generally, broken links affect your SEO and traffic. So, it is one of the must-need plugins for any blogger. If you don't have any plugin that detects broken links on your blog, then you must try this. Also, as you see, it has 7 lakhs plus installation, good ratings, upgrading regularly, is compatible with our WordPress version, etc. It is the best one. So, I am going to install it. Once the installation is done, you need to activate it. Click Activate. That's all, the plugin is activated. You can see it here. As said before, this plugin helps to detect any broken links in the entire blog. When you move to the dashboard, you will get a notification of any broken links here. Right now, I don't have any broken links. In addition, it shows other metrics like detected URLs. That's all, the plugin was installed and activated successfully. You can see all the installed plugins under Plugins and Installed Plugins. These are the lists of plugins I installed on my blog for various features. I will cover the separate video of the must-have plugins that bloggers need. I hope you are clear now on how to install and activate the plugin on WordPress. Now, let's see some of the tips for installing plugins. 1. Install the plugin that you can trust. There is a lot of spam and low-rating plugins are there. Installing the low-efficiency plugin has a negative impact on your blog's performance. 2. Update the plugins regularly. When you check the plugins page on WordPress, you can see the option called Enable Auto Updates. It is always a best practice to use the updated version because there is a chance that they will fix some bugs and improve their features in the current version. If you are sure about the plugin, you can enable auto updates, otherwise, do the manual update. 3. Uninstall the non-useful plugins. If the plugins are not useful for your blog, then delete them immediately. The speed of a web page is influenced by the number of plugins and the backend coding script used. So, if you feel the plugin is not useful anymore for your blog, then don't hesitate to deactivate and delete it. It saves your memory space. That's all from my side in this video. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite plugin on WordPress. Happy blogging and see you in the next video.